and he's going to use the exterior straps. We have 4 vehicles that we're going to go ahead and transport. Slow down, right there. That looks good.
Yes. Tire for my guy on this square tubing.
Oh, I see.
I want to end up the front tire right almost on the top.
Oh, okay.
Not only that, inside the car, it'll give me a loud buzzer. Do, 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 do. That means I can't go anymore. I'm going to crash.
Got it.
Oh, but yeah, what?
Okay, 2 are loaded. He's going to strap that down. That's number 3 car that's going to go in the 3rd position. But meanwhile that he straps this one down, I'm going to go inside and get a big Dodge Caravan.
So what happened right now, the car locked up on me, but every time I get off, I always gotta have the window down. Certain amount of cars will lock up for some reason.
And it is raining, but because of that, he leaves the window down, and then once he has it in position, he'll of course put the window up and take out the key. While I went in to get the Dodge Caravan, he went ahead and finished strapping the vehicles, and then he just loaded the number 3 position. Now he's going to go ahead and strap it down. We will load the Dodge Caravan, and we will be off to the San Francisco airport to drop these off at Hertz. It's 9:12. We arrived here at 8:25. You didn't wait for me.
Well, not today. You got 11 loads you got to pick up? 11 vehicles?
10.
Oh,
10.
There's 10. There's 10? I can't wait. I got loaded up. So basically, car's always right here. See? This is my stopping point right here. This is where I'm going to stop. I'm not going to go any further up. Back. Going back more, I can open the door. So
Why not go up further?
So that's my guide. Why?
Yeah.
Go up further.
Yeah.
33 inches.
But the Dodge Caravan's a big vehicle.
Okay, let's find out if I gotta go up more. I really doubt it. But
No, I mean, why not pull the car up more? Look, you have a few more feet here.
see? It's right here.
Yes.
Okay. If you go any further, the top of this is gonna hit this. So, no, I could have probably did another 3 inches.
Or a foot.
That's good right there.
All right. Yes. So he has this much room to load the van. This van's big. It's a Dodge Caravan.
Go to the left more. Straight.
Now the vehicle's loaded where he wants it. Since it's raining, I'm gonna put the windows all the way up. Of course, put on the emergency brake. Is this good?
That's good.
Okay.
When I go like this, that means good.
Of course, put on the emergency brake. Turn off the car, and because we're putting up the windows, I'm gonna go ahead and take the keys. They're generally left in the vehicle, but in this case, I'm gonna take them. No. I said I didn't think there was enough room on the trailer for the caravan, but it looks like it fits really well.
We've done this several times with the vehicle in the front, the van in the back.
Yeah, but this is a caravan. This is a big van.
Okay, so we had a big truck over here one time. What's the difference?
I have a bad memory.
Like they say, it's not my first rodeo.
Now that he mentioned it, we did go to our first rodeo last Saturday, and it was nice. So there is quite a bit of room here. He could have gone up a few more inches, but he didn't need to. There's some space there. Not a lot, but there is maybe 6 inches. And the van is pretty much flush with the end of the trailer. So this is our first load. We're going to Hertz at the airport, like I mentioned. After that, we're going to go to Odessa Braziers and pick up two loads of 3 each. And those are also going to the airport. Okay. So he asked me to use a high stick and see what the measurements are. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll let you know what we are. Let me give you a view from a further distance. It doesn't look very tall at all. I'm going to guess at 13, well, there's a rack, but I'm going to guess at 13.3. We'll see.
Oh yeah, that's excellent right there.
And you're at 13.1 1/2.
Wow, we're over. We're gonna have to drive. Just kidding. So there it is, guys. Anytime you back in a vehicle like that, you're gonna get more height. So if I would have went forward, the back of the vehicle, the SUV, would have been higher, probably 5 or 6 inches higher. So always back in your second vehicle going up the trailer, please. Safety first. Too much information.
No, safety is good.
Where's
It's in the bag. So, like I said before, we got here about 8:30 this morning, and it's now 9:26. So it took a little less than an hour. We did have to stop in the office for gate passes, so that took a bit also. No, where's your phone? It's 10:27, and the first load is delivered. Delivered them there to Hertz at the airport. Now we're off to Braziers to get another load. It's 11:27. We're at Odessa Braziers in Rio Linda, and we're going to transport these 6 vehicles. There's a Honda Civic, a Hyundai Sonata, Ford EcoSport, Jeep Cherokee, Ford Fusion, and another Ford EcoSport. So what we're most likely going to do is we're just going to wedge 3 vehicles on one load and then the other 3 on another load. And it's raining again, so hopefully we can do this fairly quickly, because I'm not a fan of working in the rain.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's having a nice and dry day today, because it feels good working in the rain. What's next, the Sonata?
No, yeah. But I don't have the keys to the Sonata. You drove that one.
Yeah, it's right here. different. I got about 3 foot in the front.
Why'd you do it like this?
Because I'm going straight in. I didn't back it up. So the motor's right here. So instead of putting all the weight right on top of the axle, put it right here. So, see the wheel? It's on the ramp. So I got a lot of the weight over here on the ramp. The ramp is going to carry all the weight over here right on top of the axle. See?
Oh.
So if I would have put that tire over here, I would have put all the weight on top of the fifth wheel, on top of the
drive.
truck. So look at this. 2 inches. And I already, because you know your cars, this is a short car. And I knew that I was going to be able to fit these 3 vehicles like this. Look at this.
And it's flush.
Huh?
Very
You
nice.
learn something every day.
Yes. And you're finally going to use
Oh, finally.
the Kaufman hooks. Which are right there. In the front of the trailer. The inside front.
See, every situation is different. It's cool. Adios.
We were recording, but I'm not sure if you noticed when I was driving in the first vehicle, I was sliding a little bit. I wasn't going fast enough on this bar there, so I started to slide. And of course that happens when it's wet or raining. Do you want me to park the cars?
Yes, please. That's what I was going to tell you.
Well, you didn't tell me.
Park the cars.
I gotta figure out which keys are which. I have them all
Did I
together.
tell you? Right pocket when you're done.
Well, you know what? There's too many keys.
And then if you got two keys, put them together. Hook them. After today, I'm going to need some hot chocolate.
Oh, look at the plane. We're by the airport.
Jesus Christ. It looked like a 747 with 2 prop engines.
Is that the type we were on? It was kind of scary.
Yes, ma'am.
And it was nighttime. We left Odessa Braziers at 11:55 and it's 12:07 and we just arrived at Hertz to deliver this load. Second load is delivered. Now we're going back to Odessa Braziers to pick up the 3 vehicles that we left in the parking lot. It's 12:40. We're back at Odessa Braziers. We're gonna quickly load up these 3 vehicles, deliver them, and we'll be finished. You ready? All right.
good. Go straight. Keep going. Keep going. Hold on. Go to the left. Keep going to the left. Keep coming. Straight it out. Go that way. Go that way. Keep going.
28.8 seconds. It's 12:50. He's going to strap down the vehicles and we will be off to deliver these. And it stopped raining, which is nice. It's cold, but it stopped raining.
Doing the same thing. Like the other one. Yeah. The bottom level is faster, 18 seconds. 18.44. 18 seconds.
It's 12:55 and yes, one strap to go. Well, you do it all the time. Try to film me taking photos and jotting down the issues. I'm pretty fast with that.
Yeah, shoot. That's why they have internet.
Look at this one, has a screw in it.
Not my problem.
That's very true.
It's where you parked it at over there.
No, it wasn't me.
I'm gonna blame you.
No. You told me to park it over there.
Park it a little closer.
It's 1:33. 10 vehicles are picked up and delivered, and we are finished.